I'm back.
This matchup with a WWE title on the line.
I don't know if John has the strength to superplex.
What? We have a new champion!
And new WWE champion, the Celtic Warrior, Sheamus!
Ladies and gentlemen, I am stunned. Shock and awe throughout the WWE Universe. Sheamus is your new WWE champion. I am absolutely stunned.
As is everyone, but no one more stunned right now than John Cena.
I can't believe it. Sheamus is the WWE champion. He came to Raw on October 26th, and now less than 2 months later, he has taken out Cena.
Yeah, now wait a minute, wait. Let's don't go too far overboard on this. Both of these guys were perched up on that corner precariously. You know, Cena was going to try to suplex Sheamus. I don't know if Cena just was shoved off the top or if Cena lost his balance and fell through.
King, sir, with all due respect, it doesn't matter unless let's go overboard. John. Sheamus right back on the... Morrison with a sign of life. It could be rally time for John Morrison.
It looks like he's in position for what John Morrison calls Starship Pain.
John Morrison looking to put Sheamus away. Sheamus with a knee to the back of the gut. And perhaps the arm of John Morrison.
He landed off the kick. That's got to be it. Hook his leg, King Sheamus. Hook his leg.
And Sheamus, can he take advantage of the bro kick on the fallen Morrison? But no, Sheamus wants to punish Morrison some more.
He's already gotten out of this once. This could be Sheamus' downfall.
Going for the high cross. Sheamus crawls to the cover. Hook of the leg. Shoulders down. Sheamus is the king of the ring.
The winner of this match and 2010 King of the Ring, Sheamus!
The guts and the fight in the heart of John Morrison. Not enough to overcome the offense of Sheamus. Sheamus is the 19th throne and crown.
That just looks great, doesn't it?
History made tonight on Monday Night Raw. Sheamus is the king of the ring.
Looks like the King's got a little bit of...
And now, Daniel Bryan going for the victory. Sheamus has got to be disoriented.
Incoming. That is it.
What a counter from the bro kick. And yes, the curse is over. Sheamus is the United States champion. The curse is over.
The winner of this match and new United States champion, Sheamus!
You have to have great respect for Sheamus. He
put it all on the line tonight. His career, his livelihood, and he became the United States champion. Think about all the pressure that was on the line for Sheamus here tonight. Lose, and he vowed to quit WWE. Win, and he cashes in as the United States champion.
Well, it's the luck of the Irish, baby. But whatever it is, we've got a new United States champion, Sheamus.
A huge victory for Sheamus here tonight. Big victory, big victory.
Voices in the air, I hear them loud and clear, telling me to listen. Whispers in my ear, nothing can compare. I just wanna listen.
As my world turns, the heart beats not only in my chest, but the heart in the street. So when they feel this, they
Up for dear life, and now
And Swagger eliminated by Ambrose. We're down to 2. Ambrose down. Kick by Sheamus. Sheamus blindsided Ambrose with a bro kick.
that took his head off.
But you got to get about Sheamus.
Now Seth Rollins knows it.
WWE fans trying to rally the United States champion. What an impressive display for Ambrose. 18 men eliminated so far.
What was impressive was that frog
Ambrose
kick.
eliminated. Sheamus wins the United States title.
United States champion, the Celtic Warrior, Sheamus.
So for the second time in his career, Sheamus wins the United States title. But what a performance tonight by Dean Ambrose. A gutsy performance by the former United States champ.
Yeah, but it was all for naught. That tough Irishman is now the United States champion. Well done, Sheamus.
Ambrose. So it was earlier tonight that Roman Reigns beat Alberto Del Rio in our first semifinal match. As Roman Reigns, tonight he looks to seal the deal. And here is our update. One of these two men will be the WWE World Heavyweight Champion. Dean Ambrose have had.
None of it matters. What matters now is this match. One man walks out. now goes one-on-one with a man he considers his best friend, as close as a brother, Roman Reigns. But Earl together. Played him well with Roman Reigns. That might be just for business. And let's go! Let's go! Let's come tonight! And wait a minute! A blood kick! And Sheamus! Wait a minute, Sheamus is cashing in!
And Money in the Bank contract.
There's two! Kick out! Kick out by Reigns! Reigns is kick heavyweight championship match! Sheamus versus Reigns! Trying to fight his way up! Here comes Reigns! Oh, can it can't be! We got a new champion! Sheamus is champion!
Here is your winner and the new
Witnessed! Roman Reigns finally reaches the summit that he got in Atlanta.
I'm not so tired. I just feel the pressure of the thing that I have in mind. I wanted peace, I wanted to be fine. I wonder why I cannot just sit for a while. I really want to see what it looks like. To have a moment I knew that would be mine. When the windows are all closed, like a picture of the time when the future is the whole you're looking for. Save me from everything. Tell me where to find my way. I'm just looking for something I can make in another day. 'Cause I'm